this is Ashutosh, and this month I decided not to make a monthly report but rather a half yearly report because if you see the half of the financial year from April to September is already finished. Although April and May was mainly a lockdown, so we lost that period in a way. But anyways, I thought let's make a 6 month review. So if you look at these 6 months, or maybe like 7 to 8 months, because that's more fair, that is actually 6 working months, you can say. So more or less from say January, February to September end, the prices in South Delhi have gone up from 8 to 12%. And I mean, these rates are different from colony to colony. Like some of the places, the prices have gone up a little more. Like if you look at Gulmohar Park or Niti Bagh, the prices have gone up slightly a bit more than about maybe 11-12%. GK has gone up by about 8-9%, and there is definitely been a larger premium basically for the third floors and terraces. So there you could say have gone up by about 15% rather than just 10-12%. Also, if you look at other colonies like SDA has done very well. Again, you could say 10-12% or even 15%. More demand is coming for more premium locations, and somehow the prices of used floors have not gone up so much, and they've kind of remained stagnant because more demand is there for brand new properties, especially third floor with terraces. But generally speaking, I mean, even if you compare a second floor in a new building and an old building, the increase in price is mainly in the new ones, not in the old ones so much. And general, like the current thing, if you see in the market, the current demand is a lot of deals are going on, a lot of deals are happening. I mean, I remember in Sharads, we were never able to close deals. This time we closed a couple, and Navratras is going well. If you looked in the registrar office, for example, even in the Sharad, it was kind of full. And the day just before the Sharad started, it was completely full. There was no space to put your foot down. And while I'm recording this, is the first Navratra, and today, I mean, the builders were busy. They were like, I have a meeting. So I'm assuming a lot of it is going on today, and I mean, the prices are generally, you can say, going up. Deals are happening and things are going on. Now, I'm not saying this so that you come to me and finish your deal immediately. That is not the intention. You can cross-check it or whatever, but this is how it is going on. The prices of apartments somehow has not moved up so much. The prices of apartments have kind of stayed stagnant, but they've started moving. Like they were quite stuck earlier on. For example, if you look at Noida and Gurgaon, they were not really selling. So they have started to sell, and they're selling well. Although a few of the places like DLF Camellias, the prices have been increased. Kings Court is doing fine. There are other properties in Gurgaon and Noida. I mean, all the multi-story and jazz. You know, it is moving. It is moving. So maybe not so much of a price rise in those properties in Noida, but they were completely stuck. So they are moving now, which is a very good sign. So overall, real estate is doing good. A lot of builders were in a lot of trouble. I think they will finally come out of trouble just because the prices have gone up. Yeah, I think it's going well. If you have any questions, any particular questions, you can look at my other videos or ask me a question, and I'm always available and will reply to you. I hope this market report helps, and I'm trying to keep it very short. So let's end it for now. Have a good time and get in touch with me if you need any help.